Hi guys, just 5 of us here. Today we're gonna open more Fill the Fridge. Hope everybody's just as excited as I am to start off this week with another Fill the Fridge video. We have gotten a lot so far. Just a little rundown of what we've gotten so far. So the magnets we've gotten. We don't have this one. I accidentally checked off that one. We don't have that one. Alright, let's jump into it and open one of these balls and see what we get to put in our fridge. Comment below what you're hoping we get. I kind of want the lobster because I haven't seen many people get the lobster. Oop. One layer. It's finally October. I hope everybody loves the fall in October. We got a new magnet. We got the camera. Plop that on our fridge. Alright, first bag. Got the lamb chops. That is a duplicate. Second bag. We got the sausage patties, which is a duplicate. Third bag. Oh, this is a new one for us. The macaroni and cheese. And when you slide it out, it actually looks like mac and cheese. That's cool. Alright, let's put that in our fridge. We do not have this one. Next one. We got kombucha. We already have that. Next bag. A turmeric shot. We already have that. Last bag for this box is the orange juice. And we already have that. So all our duplicates are going to go in our duplicate trash can. There we go. Alright. So jump into another bowl. Let's see what we're gonna get. There we go. Okay. Oh, we got another new magnet, a grocery list. Our fridge is going to be full of magnets. Alright. First one. Now this is a new one. Pretzel dogs from Annie Ann's. Next one is eggplants. That's a duplicate. Mike's Hot and Honey. That's a duplicate. The juice. That's a duplicate. Oh, here's another new one for us. The home style mashed potatoes. See if I can slide it down. That's what they look like. That's a new one. Alright, last bag for this ball. And the broccoli, which we already have. So put all of our duplicates in the duplicate trash can. And put our pretzels dogs down here with our pretzels. And our mashed potatoes with our mac and cheese. There we go. Alright. We're going to open another one. Oh, maybe this will be a good ball. That's a good tear strip. Okay. Our magnet is avocado egg toast. We don't have that one. So another new magnet. You got the fish. That's a duplicate. The fruit tray is a duplicate. Strawberry Jell-O, that's a new one. We do not have that one. We have the vanilla one, but we don't have strawberry. Turmeric shot is a duplicate. Now this is a new one. Shredded hash browns. Alright, last bag for that ball. Now this is another new one. Philadelphia Original. Alright, let's put all our new ones in our fridge. Put our strawberry Jell-O away. Our Philadelphia will go right there. And our shredded hash brown will go in our freezer. Looking good so far. Alright, let's check off our new ones. We got the Philadelphia. We got the shredded hash browns. We got the avocado egg toast. The grocery list. And what was the other new one? Oh, the camera. Okay. We got the pretzel dogs. We got strawberry Jell-O. We got the mac and cheese and mashed potatoes today. That was awesome. We got both. And that is it. I want the unicorn cake or some of these IHOP meals. The chicken. I want the other Ollipops because we only have one. And I want to get these creations. We've gotten the one that come with the fridge, the Jell-O, and we have gotten this guy right here. If you want to see me make a mess and make it, you can go watch my other videos because that was a disaster. But I would love the popsicle one. And yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!